children. So welcome back to the school and we start with the online classes from today children. So what am I going to teach you? Okay, now first of all tell me, how was your Diwali? It was nice? Yes, even I enjoyed my Diwali. I had gone for vacations to my mother's house. I enjoyed a lot. And yes, eating lot of sweets of Diwali. That is what I did in the vacation. Okay, so now when you will come back on Thursday, you have to come back. We will start with your school from. We will take every week Thursday and Friday your school. Okay, so you will come by 11 o'clock, my UKG children, and you will go home back by 1 o'clock. Okay, so 11 to 1 will be your timings, Thursday and Friday. Okay children, is it clear? So please tell your parents also, I have to go to school. Okay, so before we start with anything new, I want you to just do the revision of the old syllabus, what we had learned. See, UKG children, here now you are growing up, so we will not skip anything that you have learned this in the unit test and the term is over, so we will teach you the new thing and the old thing will not come for the exam. It will not happen like that. The old things will, whatever old syllable was there, even that will come for your final exam. So you have to be prepared from what I have taught you from July till the month of March. I am going to keep on teaching you, okay, every day. Something new, but don't worry, I will keep on doing revision also so that you don't forget the old things. So to start with the revision, what I will do children, I will teach you the two-letter words what we have revised already during exams. So it is, these are the words that I had taught you before exams. A, N, and I want you to repeat after me. A, M, am, I, S, is, O, N, on, I, N, in, A, T, at, T, O, to, G, O, go, I, T, it, O, R, or, U, P, up, B, E, B, S, O, so, D, O, do, O, F, off, and T, H, E, the. These are the words which I have taught you already. I want you to revise the spellings before we start the new topic children. Okay, in textbook it is page number 42. After that, if you remember, I had also taught you the three-letter words from page number 47. Okay, so we go to page number 47 and I will teach you the other words. What words are those? At words. What words? At words. What are the at words? See, I have taught you at a at. So how will you read the remaining? B at bat, k at cat, r at rat, and h at hat. These are the words that we learned previously. Next, repeat after me children so that you are done with the revision also as I am teaching. I have not given you all these words for revision in your notebook for homework. Today I have just given random few 2-3 letter words in your notebook. You have to send your parents to collect the book from the school and then you have to start practicing these old words in the notebook and learn and come, because Thursday I will take test of the words what I have taught you in the revision. Okay, now let's do the revision of am words. What are the am words? Am. So j, am, jam, y, am, yam, d, am, dam, and r, ram. These are am words. Okay. Next is, see, I'm not teaching you in detail. I'm just telling you what I have taught. The detailed teaching has already been done when I had newly started the topic. Okay, so this is the only revision. So I'm just trying to teach you fast and move ahead. Now we will do app words. App, per, app. So what are the words related to app? K, app, cap, t, app, tap. Repeat after me. Color, app, clap, m, app, map. These are app words. Okay, at, am, app. Okay, now let's go to the other page, and those words are and words. What are the and words? No, fan, for and fan, come and can, and per and pan. These are the words of and. Okay, now let's do the other words. That is ag. Ag. So what are the ag words? B, ag, bag, t, ag, tag, r, ag, rag, and fur. See, fur, F says fur, L says l, ag, ag, flag. Okay, so these are the ag words, children. Okay, now let's go to the add words. Okay, so now I have to rub the board and then I will teach you the new words. Okay, so now let's continue with the add words, children. What I taught you is add. See, children, don't try to break each and every word. Just understand, when add comes, it's add. You will not say b, a, d. No, you will just say the first sound and you will mix the next two letters. So it is j, am, jam, y, am, yam. You will say it that way. So you should know what am, at, app, and, ag, add. You should know these words sound so that it becomes easy for you to make the big word sound correctly. Okay, so try to learn like this only. It will help you in your bigger classes also. So now we are doing add words. So what are the add words? M, add, mad, d, add, dad, and the next one is sir, add, sad. So I'm just mixing the first letter with the add sound. M, add, mad, d, add, dad, sir, add, sad. Okay, children, so let's go to the other words. That is a, r, a. Okay, so a, r, a. So how will you do? What are the words of r? It is k, a, car, b, r, bar, j, r, jar. See, children, in this the A's word is silent. I'm not saying r, I am saying r. What is happening? The A word is going silent. So only you can hear the R sound. So you will say car, bar, jar. What is the next letter? Word far. See, for a, r. Are we doing far? No, we are saying far. Can you hear the A sound? No, you can just hear f and r. Far. Okay, so this is how you will do. Okay, done, understood. Now let's go to the next page. What I have taught you. It is a, a. So it is, what are the words? B, a, bay, k, l, a, clay, h, a, hay, One second, children, just let me have a look at the words. It was bay. One second. Yeah, it is bay. It is not clay. I have said this wrong. It is after bay. It is day. The a year day. Her a year. Hay, and the next word is way. A year way. Okay, this is how you will learn, children. Let's see it once again. A year bay. The a year day. Repeat after me. Her a year hay, and a year way. These are the 2-letter words what I had taught you before exams. But children, please remember, this is going to come for your finals also. So you can't think that I will stop learning this. You have to keep on revising this. Even I will do revision as and when possible. Okay. So this is all for English revision for now. And then I'm going to teach you next is the new word, that is ED words. Okay. Thank you.